Hello everyone, I welcome you all on the third lecture of your course Fluid Mechanics having course code ME404. So in last lecture we have seen the four important properties associated with fluid, that is mass density, weight density, specific volume and specific gravity. So in this lecture we will see few numericals related to those properties. So let us start with the numerical first. So in this numerical, it is said that calculate the specific weight, that is also known as weight density. If it is written simply here density, it means mass density. So calculate the specific weight, density and specific gravity of 1 liter of liquid which weighs 7 Newton. So what are the things given in this problem? Volume in terms of liter it is given, and the weight of that liquid is given, and it is asked to find out the specific weight, density and specific gravity. So let us first write the given condition. So volume of the liquid it is given 1 liter, but we have to convert this liter unit in meter cube. So we very well know that to convert from liter to meter cube, we have to multiply that by 10 to the power minus 3. Weight is given 7 Newton. So volume and weight are given. So let us start with specific weight. So we know that specific weight is a ratio of weight of fluid to the volume of fluid. Both the things are given. Weight is given 7 Newton, volume is given 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube. So when we put this in the formula, we get 7,000 Newton per meter cube as a specific weight of the liquid. Second, it is asked density. Density, there is a relation between weight density and mass density, that is weight density is equal to m into g, that we have seen in our last lecture. So W is equal to rho into G. So rho can be written as W by G. W means specific weight by gravitational acceleration. We have just calculated the specific weight of the liquid as 7,000 Newton per meter cube. We know that gravitational acceleration is 9.81. So when we substitute this in the formula of mass density, we get density of liquid is 713.5 kg per meter cube. Third is the specific gravity. We know that specific gravity is the ratio of density of liquid to the density of water. So density of liquid we have calculated 713.5 kg meter cube, and density of water we have seen, we know very well that it is 1000 kg per meter cube. So substituting the value of density of liquid and density of water, we get specific gravity as 0.7135. Okay, so this is very simple problem related to the properties associated with fluid that we have learned in our last class. Now let us see one more problem, very much similar to the problem that we have discussed earlier, that is calculate the density, specific weight and weight of 1 liter of petrol of specific gravity 0.7. See, in last problem weight is given and specific gravity we have to find out. In this problem, specific gravity is given, we have to find out weight. So this is the only difference between the previous problem and this problem. Volume of petrol it is given 1 liter, which is in last problem it is also given the volume of liquid as 1 liter. So again we have to convert this 1 liter into meter cube by multiplying it by 10 to the power minus 3. So let us first write the given condition. Volume it is given 0.001 meter cube, that is 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube. Specific gravity it is given 0.7. So we have to first use the formula of specific gravity, and we know that specific gravity is density of fluid divided by density of water. So in this problem we have to evaluate the density of petrol. So density of petrol will be specific gravity into density of water. It is in denominator, it will go and multiply it by specific gravity. So specific gravity it is given 0.7, density of water we know 1000 kg per meter cube. When we substitute this, we get density of petrol as 700 kg per meter cube. Okay. Next is specific weight. Again, we know that there is a relationship between specific weight and density. That is specific weight or weight density is equal to rho into g, that is mass density into gravitational acceleration. So we have just calculated mass density as 700. We know gravitational acceleration as 9.81. When we multiplied it, we get 6867 Newton per meter cube as our specific weight. So this is a very simple calculation based on the formula that we have seen. The final is weight of 1 liter of petrol. Okay, so we know that specific weight is equal to weight upon volume. So from this formula, volume here in denominator will go this side and it will be multiplied by specific weight. Specific weight which have just calculated, volume it is given in the problem. When we multiply it, we get weight of the 1 liter of petrol as 6.867 liter. So these two problems are very simple problems related to the properties that we have discussed in earlier class, and these problems are formula based. With this problem, you will be able to understand the four properties that we have discussed in a more better way. Thank you very much. In next video and class, we will see another property of fluid, very important property of fluid, that is viscosity. Thank you.